So welcome students. In this question you are given a line x minus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 4 by minus 5. And you are given a plane 2x minus y plus z plus 3 is equal to 0. You are asked to find the image of this line about this plane. Now how do we do this? So first let us analyze the nature of this line with respect to this plane. So what are the DRs of this line? The DRs of this line are 3, 1, minus 5. And what are the DRs of the normal to this plane? 2, minus 1, 1. These are the DRs of the line. These are the DRs of the normal to the line, normal to the plane. So now if you do the dot product of these two, so by observation, if you do the dot product of these two, there is 6 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So the dot product of these two is 0. That means this normal is perpendicular to the line. That means the line is parallel to the plane. That means if you have the plane like this, and if you have the normal, this line is perpendicular to the normal. That means this line is parallel to this plane. So if you take the image of this line about this plane, you get another parallel line. So the DRs, which are 3, 1, minus 5, will be same for the line as well as the image, because the image will also be parallel to this line. Now, once you know the DRs of the image line, so you just need to find one point on this line. The easiest point to find is the image of the point which is known on this line. So we know that this line passes through 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. So you have the point 1, 3, 4 on the given line. So I'll just find the image of this point about this plane. So this image has to lie on this line. So how do I find the image? You have a formula for image. So x minus x1 by the x coefficient here is equal to y minus y1 by the y coefficient here is equal to z minus 4 by 1 is equal to minus 2 times. So just need to substitute this point on this plane. It is 2 minus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3 are getting cancelled. So effectively 2 plus 4, 6 by a square plus b square plus c square. 4 plus 1 is also equal to 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So the image is x, y, z is equal to 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. 2 plus 3 is 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So the image of this point about this line is minus 3, 5, 2. So what is the equation of this line? X plus 3 is equal to y minus 5 is equal to z minus 2. So the numbers which come in the denominator are nothing but the numbers 3, 1, minus 5. Thank you.